That's how you sound. Oh no!
Shut your mouth. You too.
Look.
I'm gonna grab. Let's go back.
Girl, that wind would have blew me out that kayak. Tell him all the time. Him or you? No, like so much in restaurants, and I never noticed it until mom. I think it was mom. Mom pointed it out. We don't bring the boat unless it got hose on it. That's why we inviting you. Hey.
Because it is. We're actually closer to where the ground is. This whole part of Chicago, as you may notice, the shores of the Great Lakes continue.
You see the fire?
On the way north is because now we actually have a lot more, specifically the area around the south branch of the